Hello everyone, and welcome back to IELTS with Kashif. Whether you are aiming for a Band 7 or a Band 9, this channel is your home for high-quality mock tests, vocabulary deep dives, and strategy sessions designed to simplify your IELTS journey.
Hello, I am Aisha, and today we are going to demonstrate a full-length speaking mock test. We know that Part 2 and Part 3 can be nerve-wracking, so we are here to show you how to handle them with confidence.
That is right. In addition to the test, I will be providing a detailed evaluation at the end, focusing on the 4 marking criteria: fluency, lexical resource, grammar, and pronunciation. Let's jump right into the interview. Good afternoon. My name is Kashif Shehzad, and I will be your examiner today. Can you please tell me your full name?
Good afternoon. My name is Aisha Bibi, but you can just call me Aisha.
Thank you, Aisha. Now, in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about your daily routine. Do you prefer to get up early in the morning or stay up late at night?
I would definitely classify myself as an early bird. I find that I am much more productive in the quiet hours of the morning. It gives me a chance to plan my day and exercise before the hustle and bustle of the city begins.
That is a great habit. And do you usually spend your weekends at home, or do you prefer to go out?
It really depends on my energy levels. Usually, I like to strike a balance. On Saturdays, I enjoy meeting up with friends for a coffee or visiting a local market. However, I dedicated my Sundays to domestic tasks and relaxing at home to recharge for the upcoming work week.
Thank you. Now, let's move on to Part 2. I am going to give you a topic, and I would like you to speak about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to prepare and make notes. Here is your topic. Describe a piece of technology you find very useful. Your preparation time starts now. All right, Aisha. Remember, you have 2 minutes for this. Please begin speaking now.
I would like to talk about my noise-canceling headphones, which I have been using daily for about a year now. In a world that is increasingly loud and distracting, I find this specific piece of technology to be an absolute lifesaver. I originally purchased them because I often work in public spaces like cafes or libraries where the background noise can be quite overwhelming. These headphones use advanced sensors to block out ambient sounds, allowing me to focus entirely on my tasks or enjoy music with incredible clarity. What makes them so useful is their versatility. I use them during my daily commute to listen to educational podcasts, during work to enter a deep work state, and even during long flights to help me sleep in a quiet environment. They are wireless, have a long battery life, and the build quality is exceptional. I find them indispensable because they significantly boost my productivity and help reduce my stress levels. Without them, I think I would struggle to maintain my focus in noisy environments. It is amazing how such a small device can create a personal bubble of peace wherever I go.
Thank you. We have been talking about a useful device, and I'd like to discuss technology in a broader sense. In your opinion, has technology made us more or less social?
That is a complex question. I believe technology is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it allows us to maintain connections with people across the globe through social media and video calls. However, on the other hand, it can lead to a decrease in face-to-face interactions. Often, you see people sitting together at a dinner table, but looking at their phones instead of talking to each other. So, while we are more connected, we might be less social in a traditional sense.
That's a valid observation. Do you think that people rely too much on technology to solve their problems nowadays?
I would say there is a strong tendency to do so. Many of us rely on GPS to navigate or AI tools to write simple emails. While this increases efficiency, the downside is that we might lose some of our basic problem-solving skills or critical thinking abilities. It is vital that we use technology as a tool to assist us, rather than a crutch to replace our own mental efforts.
Stop there, please. That concludes the test. Aisha, well done. Your response in Part 3 was particularly impressive because of how you balanced both sides of the argument.
Thank you, Kashif. I was a bit nervous about the technology topic, but it felt like a very natural conversation.
It sounded natural. For our viewers, Aisha's performance today is a perfect example of a band 8 or 8.5. Her fluency was excellent. She didn't have any long pauses. Her lexical resource was also great. She used words like indispensable, double-edged sword, and ambient sounds perfectly.
Thank you so much! To everyone at home, remember that practicing these complex topics is the only way to get comfortable with them.
Exactly. You can find the full script and the vocabulary list for this test in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to IELTS with Kashif, like this video, and let us know in the comments what topic you want us to cover next. Until then, keep practicing and stay motivated. Goodbye.